So today I am cooking up some white bean burgers. This is a great alternative to a black bean burger, which to me sometimes can just get really heavy, not exactly what I want to be eating. And the best part about this recipe is that it is from purple carrot, so it's gonna come together really quick, really easily, and you're gonna have dinner on the table in no time at all. Okay guys, this really is one of the quickest and simple meals that I have made. I've made this now 3-4 times. It's always delicious. White bean burgers, we've got so much flavor because there's cumin, there's Worcestershire powder, salt, pepper, of course. We have our kale, green beans, roasted red peppers, and a lemon herb aioli. And it's time to shoot it so we can eat it.